What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Just want to do a quick video on, I guess, two new tools that you can add to your tool belt while you're navigating AWS. The first one is CloudShell. So I'm logged into my console already, and CloudShell, it's basically just an online terminal that you have access to right inside of the AWS console. So what this means is you don't need to configure the CLI on your local machine. Obviously you can, but if you just wanting to do something really quick, you can spin CloudShell up. A couple ways to get to it. Right here from your recently viewed items. Obviously you can search for it here, and in some regions it'll show up as an icon on your navigation bar up top here. So let's go ahead and launch that. Okay, close, and let's see, how do you clear it? Okay, so and then once we're in CloudShell, we want to run what they call the configure AutoPrompt command for the CLI. So this little snippet of code here basically initiates the call to that to be able to use this command. So we're going to go back to CloudShell and hit paste. All right. Oh, forgot the most important part. AWS and then paste. Okay. All right. So now you can see that we have this nice little graphical or GUI interface that we can interact with now. So let's say that I'm interested in just getting some information on my currently logged in user to the console. So let's do STS. Oh, let's see. Okay, STS. All right. Space, and then I want to get caller identity. That should be me, right? All right. So we see now we have the user ID, we have the account, and we have the ARN here. So that's pretty much it. So I really wanted to show, like I said, just a quick video of exploring AWS CloudShell as well as the AWS CLI AutoPrompt tool. So that's it. Thank you for watching.